Everybody, going through another Mason AI use case here today. Mason is your Ressio AI project assistant located on all projects in the upper left-hand corner where it says Ask Mason. Today we're going to talk about using Mason to find to-do lists and items based on a particular status, assignee, or date range. So it's going to be a similar process. We're going to use the status today to help us create a list. So I'm going to say, show me all to-dos that are not completed, and we'll see what Mason has to say. So it's going to do a little bit of thinking. We'll call that out in the bottom left-hand corner. And then in just a moment, we're going to see its output. And here is Mason's results. So all to-dos that are not completed status is to do or in progress. So it looks like I have some on a punch list and then also some on an electrical punch list. It's also showing me I have none in progress here. So that's exactly what I wanted. It says I can also sort these by due date or flag which ones are overdue. Let's see which ones are overdue. So as of February 11th, which is today, due date is before today. We have a few different items in here. Awesome. And then you can also see everything else due today or later. Let's see what's due today. And what you'll notice too at Mason is as we're going through this, yes, I'm prompting it with its first question, but it's also creating questions for me to ask based on those prompts so that I can have a very intuitive workflow to get me results that are meaningful and going to help me move forward within this project, advance in tasks, whatever that might be. So it looks like right now we just have the driveways, walkways, and patios to be completed and cleaned by Chad. And then from here, there's nothing else due today on February 11th. So this kind of gave me a nice step-by-step workflow where we just started with any to-dos that weren't completed, but then we narrowed it down to something a bit more meaningful, what's past due or overdue, and then even what's responsible for on today's date. So this is one of the many different ways you can use Mason. Definitely let us know your thoughts. If you have any ideas or questions, let us know, or your Ressio Customer Success Coach. Thanks so much.